I'm prepping the skin with the Micro Blur Skin Perfector by Kiehl's. This is a great product for covering where you have larger pores, and that's the center of the face for me. The Becca Backlit Primer is really nice because you can wear it on its own, but I'm using it as a primer before I put concealer on. I'm using the Master Camo pen in the color green to cover the red areas on my face. That's going to help balance everything out before I put concealer on. I'm using this concealer by Maybelline in the color beige and just blending that in with my finger. I'm not using foundation today because this is what I would do on a regular basis. I ended up cutting my sponge and it kind of looks like a block of cheese. What do you think? It actually worked pretty well because it was small and easy to get in the small corners. I'm using this LA Girl concealer and mainly putting it on the center of my face to brighten it. To set my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 130. I use this powder on a daily basis, and what I like about it is that it smooths out the skin and makes it look flawless. I'm mainly setting the center of my face with this and my breakout areas. I'm setting my eyelids with the LA Girl concealer and blending that in with the sponge. I'm also using the Maybelline powder. My sister got me this really cute Too Faced travel makeup kit, and it has bronzer, highlighter, and different eyeshadow shades, and I'm using this super fun night eyeshadow palette. I'm starting off with that lighter shimmery shade and putting that on the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm using this shade called Oh What Fun, and this is a great transitional color. This is going to help just add a little bit of depth to my eyes, and it's a natural color which is great for every day. I'm using the 24/7 Waterline eyeliner by Urban Decay, and I place that on the top of my eyelid just to define it a bit, no wing. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It came in the set that my sister got me, so I wanted to give it a try. This didn't give me the amount of volume that I usually like, but I'll have to give it another try. I'm using the Benefit High Brow Pen and lining it underneath my eyebrows, and the reason for using something like this is to brighten that area and make it look cleaner. So I'm using a flat concealer brush. To finish up the brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer pen, and this is what I usually use on a daily basis, so it's very easy to use, looks very natural, so I like that. I'm going back to that same palette and using the highlight shade and I'm just rubbing it in with my fingers, and that just gives it a more natural look. I actually really liked this highlighter, very finely milled and looks very dewy on the skin. I'm picking up that highlight shade and placing that on the inner corners of my eyes just to add a little bit of brightness. I'm using this NYX blush. It's a really pretty peachy pink color, so I'm just placing that on the apples of my cheeks. I'm using this lip gloss by Soap & Glory. It has a really funny name. I like that it gives that tingly feeling, although I'm not sure it plumps my lips. Let me know if you've ever tried it, but I like the shine that it gives. To make sure my makeup lasts, I'm setting my face with the Smashbox Primer Water. This is a look that I do every day, and it only takes me 5 minutes, so I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new, and hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks!